Don't forget to subscribe to Bagoday Crochet. You can subscribe by clicking this red button right here. And don't forget to click this little bell right there next to it. That way you'll always be notified whenever Bagoday puts on a new video. Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a review on one of Lionbrand's. It's one of their newer yarns, but it has been out for just a bit. I actually had this for a while, but I haven't done a review on it yet. It's Lionbrand Hand Dyed Heaven. Real hand dyed yarn, and they come in hank form. Okay, we'll go ahead and read the back of it. 2.5 ounces, 70 grams, 175 yards, or 160 meters. 100% nylon. Machine wash on cool and lay flat to dry. And it says that it is a lightweight 3. Recommended needle size is a 4 millimeter knitting needle, and hook size is a 5 millimeter. Made in Turkey. Okay, so I got two different colors here. This one is called Showstopper, and this one is called Jawbreaker. Now, when I first fill them, they do feel very soft. You know, pretty soft. I mean, definitely something that you could wear around your neck. Baby. For baby. You know, anything like that. So we'll go ahead and read a little about it. It says, Lionbrand has cracked the code of hand-dyed yarns for the mass marketing. Hand-dyed heaven is exactly that. It's a hand-dyed. Each unique colorway adds an artisanal touch to knit and crochet project. The super soft 100% polyamide has the look and feel of the softest merino, and since each hank has been hand dyed, colors will vary slightly from hank to hank, adding a unique spin to every project. And it seems that they, right now, you can pretty much get them only on Lionbrand, but you can see them like on eBay and Amazon. But those are going to be your drop shippers, I think. People that buy them off Amazon and then try to resell them. But I think they are available, like, pretty much just on Lionbrand at the moment. Seems that they have about 13 different colors at the moment. I'm just petting it because it is really soft yarn. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. So it is classified as a lightweight 3. Let's see how it looks. I think it's a bit thicker than a lightweight 3 in my own personal opinion. I would say that's a 4-weight yarn. I bet pretty much most of you will probably agree with me on that. You let me know in the comments what you think. So we'll go ahead and unhank it. I'm not a big fan of like unhanking hanks. I guess that is what you call it. Unhanking them. No, unwrapping them or whatever you do with them. But that's pretty. Dye in it's pretty. Yeah, it's nice and soft. Alright, so this would be where you'd want to get your yarn ball winder and wind it up. But actually, I'm just going to do a little bit of crocheting with it. I actually think I accidentally clipped it there when I wasn't supposed to. But that's okay. So I just wanted to do a little crocheting with it just to see if it split or anything like that. I'll try not to get it too knotted up. But the colors are really pretty. Dyed in it, and it is nice and soft. I give it that. Hand-dyed yarns are really pretty. I have to admit that. I do like me some hand-dyed yarns. A lot of times they're quite expensive though. So I'm going to go ahead and slip knot it. And I have an H right here beside me, 5 millimeter. Well, here it is. So I'll go ahead and start with that. Oh yeah, it glides over. When I looked at it, I thought maybe it could have the potential to split a bit, because it does look like it's wound a little loose, not extremely loose, but it looks like it could be wound just a bit loose, but it doesn't mean that it's going to split. Yeah, it crochets quite nicely actually. Okay, I worked just a little bit on it. I think that's pretty. It is really pretty. And as far as stitch definition goes, I did some bobbles there, and you can see them pretty good, even though it does have the dyed in it, dyed splotches in it. Crocheted fine, didn't split on me one time. Super nice. I like it. But is it worth what they want? They want $7.99 a hank for this. And what did we say? 175 yards. Well, if you ever looked at hand-dyed yarn like on Etsy and stuff, a lot of the time that stuff's like $20 or $25 a hank. Some of them might have a little bit more yardage, but not a lot. If you want to compare it to other hand-dyed yarns, it's probably a pretty good price. It's nice quality. I can tell it's really soft. It does feel nice. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it feels really nice. I think the colors are pretty. All the colors that they have are very pretty. They're all splotted and dyed, and dyed really pretty. So it's kind of expensive, I guess, but it is hand dyed. Being hand dyed, it's not expensive, if that makes sense. It's not expensive for a hand dyed yarn, but it's expensive for it being only 175 yards. So if you're looking for a quality hand dyed yarn, I think this is a way to go. I like it. I think it's nice, and I'll probably buy it again. They have a couple more colors that I really like, that I think I might get. And I think 175 yards, you know, that would be enough to make a hat, a pair of wristers, you know, some baby items, not dresses or nothing, but a smaller bag. And then if you got two of them, you could definitely make like a newborn dress or scarf, and you know, stuff like that. So you can definitely make some things out of one. And I think I actually might make a hat out of this one right here. I think it's pretty, and I think that's what I'm going to do with mine. So yeah, I like them. I do, because I love hand-dyed yarn, and I think this is a really good price. $7.99 a hank for hand-dyed yarn. I think that's an exceptional price, actually. So if you're into hand-dyed yarns, I think you should give this a try if you haven't yet. I think you'll be pretty surprised with it, the way it feels. I think it feels nice. Now, these are all my own personal opinions. Always remember that. And that's just what they are. They're only opinions. And remember, mine are always different. I mean, it's fine that mine can be different from yours. If you don't agree with me, that's fine. Right on. Everybody's different. So, and I don't get paid by Lionbrand at all. They do not pay me to say this. And they did not give me this yarn. I bought this yarn myself. And I don't get paid if you buy the yarn. I have no affiliated link with Lionbrand at all. So it's just, that's just what it is. It's my unbiased personal opinion. Yes, I like this yarn, and for it being hand dyed, I think $7.99 is a terrific price. Will I buy it again? Yes, I will. They have some really pretty colors, and I think I might buy some more of them. So that's my review, and as always, I'm always interested. If you've tried this, let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you haven't, go to lionbrand.com and check it out. Look at their colors. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think it's, would you pay that much for it? I'm just curious. Remember, if you won't pay that much for it, you know, it's no big deal. You know, everybody's different. Everybody would pay a different amount for a certain yarn. So everybody's different. So it's all right to voice your opinions. That's fine. So thanks everybody for watching. I always appreciate it. Spending time with you guys. I hope you enjoyed my review. Don't forget to head over to Lionbrand. Remember though, I'm not affiliated with them, but you could check out all their other colors of this and see what you think. And until next time, have a good day.